Hey y'all, it's time to restore this wooden coffee table. I found this coffee table at another yard sale and I had to snatch it. There were a few scratches and marks on the table, so we're gonna sand it and then add some new stain to it. Once I sanded the top, I had to take it apart to get to those other parts. Once it was all taken apart, I started to sand again with a 60 grit and then moved on to 120. I decided I was gonna paint the legs, so I just scuff sand them a bit. Alright, we got everything sanded now, so we're gonna stain the tabletops and then we're gonna paint the legs. For the legs, I'm going with a white to give it a clean look. And for the stain, I'm using an espresso because it contrasts well with the white. And there's the before with the table having a few scratches and marks on it. And there's the after with some new paint and stain. It looks like brand new and it has a sort of modern western look.